Energy-efficient semiconductor laser diodes are used in many devices and found all around us. In a rapidly changing world, the company which continues to thrive and provide innovative solutions is AYASE. AYASE was first established in Yokohama, Japan in 1997 through a collaboration of years of experience and knowledge in the semiconductor laser diode industry. Soon after, AYASE expanded its business internationally and now has subsidiaries located all over the world. AYASE continues to be the solutions provider globally in the optoelectronics field. AYASE established the Azumino Technology Center in Nagano Prefecture in central Japan. The area is surrounded by rich nature, and the region is historically known for its precision machinery industry. In ordinary module manufacturing, the labor-intensive process is commonly used. However, AYASE succeeded in inventing an automated capital-intensive module manufacturing process using state-of-the-art equipment and high-quality Japanese manufactured materials. This enables AYASE to be a reliable partner for design, manufacturing, and assembly. Assembly is done in a Class 10,000 clean room where the environment is strictly controlled by automatic temperature and humidity management. There are our own 100% automated mass production machines which are qualified to manufacture micro-miniature modules. The automated process eliminates defects and guarantees quality, unlike the ordinary labor-intensive process. AYASE line module is composed with laser diodes and our patented molded lens unit using our unique technique. Our patented lenses enables AYASE line modules to produce repeatable and uniform lines every time. Unlike conventional collimator and Powell lenses, this unique technique made customization possible in the module parameters such as fan angle and working distance while maintaining its small 6mm diameter package. AYASE implements laser marking to ensure traceability to all of our products. AYASE is committed to provide the best quality possible by establishing a variety of analysis equipment. AYASE is an innovative manufacturer of products using advanced cutting-edge technologies. We are committed to provide the best quality possible through our automated manufacturing systems, combined with our knowledge and experience in semiconductor laser engineering. With our passion for the optoelectronics industry, AYASE will continue to be the reliable solutions provider committed to satisfying customer needs. AYASE always has a progressive approach in leading the future technologies.